Welcome back to Bird TV. Thanks for stopping in here live at Bingo Bar Studios in beautiful downtown Plastow. Why am I talking to you after my wife's been in labor for 30 hours and we just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl? Because here at Bird TV, we don't take any time off. We want to get you your updates so that you can be informed and be in the know for the MVFFL happenings. The top story of the day, trade between Bongsville and Hick Lane. Bongsville acquires Justin Gage and Sonoris Moss. Hick Lane acquires James Davis, running back Cleveland. Interesting deal. Let's take a look at it closer. It looks like Chris Ida gave up a starting wide receiver, and he did that to get a running back that had potential to be a starter. He's been on the prowl lately. It's been well known. He's been knocking on a lot of doors trying to find an additional running back, including Methuen's. But let's take a look at his receivers. Demetrius Williams, Reggie Williams, Dwayne Bowe, Isaiah Stanback, Roddy White, Justin McCarrons, Chancey Stuckey, Derek Williams, Mike Wallace, Devery Henderson. Interesting. I don't see a whole lot of starting receivers there. But he did get a running back that might have potential to start. But I think in the end, it came down to Bongsville's front man, John Manzi, capitalizing on a great preseason week for James Davis. That's your update. Thanks for stopping in.